Upon one summer's morning, I carefully did stray down by the walls of Wapping, where I met a sailor gay, conversing with a young lass who seemed to be in pain, saying, "William, when you go, I fear you'll ne'er return again." His hair hangs in ringlets, his eyes as black as snow. My happiness attend him wherever he may go. From Tower Hill to Black Rock, I'll wander, weep and moan, all for my jolly sailor bold, until he does return. My father is a merchant, the truth I will now tell, and in great London city in opulence doth dwell. His fortune doth exceed 300,000 gold, and he frowns upon his daughter, 'cause she loves a sailor bold. A fig for his riches, his merchandise and gold. True love has grafted my heart, give me my sailor bold. Should he return in poverty from o'er the ocean far, to my tender bosom I'll fondly press my jolly tar. My sailor is as smiling as the pleasant month of May, and off we have wandered through Radcliffe Highway, where many a pretty blooming girl we did behold, reclining on the bosom of her jolly sailor bold. My name it is Maria, a merchant's daughter fair, and I have left my parents' hand 3,000 pounds a year. Come all ye pretty fair maids, whoever ye may be, who love a jolly sailor bold that plows the raging sea, while up aloft in storm from me his absent morn, and firmly pray arrive the day he home will safe return. My heart is pierced by Cupid, I disdain all glittering gold. There is nothing can console me but my jolly sailor bold.